Good morning, everyone. We are here treading Shay. This is Monday. This was supposed to be a week in my life, but I forgot to film over the weekend, so this is going to be, I guess, a work week in my life, even though I don't really have a traditional work week because I only work part-time at my job. So I'm just going to take you along Monday through Friday and see what happens. We are working on Shay's place training so that we can socialize her with Bentley a bit more. And one of the ways that helps this is making it so she can't move from where she is. And then he'll really be here when we do this. And then she'll be all the way over here. And then they'll be in sight of each other, but they can't get to each other. So they just get used to it. I'm making myself lunch. I'm having a bagel and cream cheese and some oranges, and I'll probably eat more snacks because I'm probably not going to be full. But I just finished filming a UGC video. I have another YouTube video I need to film that's going up before this one, and then I'm going bowling tonight, so I need to figure out how to look more presentable. I'm not really looking forward to going bowling because I suck at it and I'm competitive, but it's with my cousin who's in town and her new boyfriend and a couple of her friends, and you know, I'll go for her. And of course I want to see her. I'm excited about that. It's not that. I just dread doing things that I know that I'm bad at, which is not a good character trait of mine, and it is good for me to push myself out of my comfort zone in this way. It's not something that I'm super comfortable doing, but it'll be fun with her. So yeah, if she sees this, don't worry, I just get nervous with new things, and this is a new thing, so it has nothing to do with you and everything to do with me. Anyways, now we're gonna let Shay out of her crate and eat some lunch. He would like my food.
That one, 19.
Renee knows the run club is coming to my area in a month, so I'm out on a run. I haven't been on a run in like 5 years. I'm not even a mile in. I'm dying. I'm trying to get to 3 miles today. I'm doing run walk though, so let's get in shape. It's my night to cook dinner, and on the menu is meatballs, green beans, and rice. So I'm just prepping the rice because it's a little bit early, but I just want to have everything prepped because, I don't know, it just makes me feel better. And then I'll have this ready to start once I put the green beans in the oven. And yeah, I don't know. I like to usually have one kind of step done before I'm actually cooking dinner, because I feel like, to be honest, I am someone who doesn't like to move at a rapid pace. Like, I just enjoy cooking and I enjoy taking a little bit of time when I cook. But my dad gets home from work and he wants food a lot of the time. So I find that doing one of the tasks ahead of time allows me to have dinner expedited, but it allows me to have the pace that I want. I don't know if that makes sense, but I feel like I am not a bad cook. I just am slow, especially in comparison to my mom. But I enjoy it. I literally just enjoy taking the time to do it. This meal isn't super hard. I literally putting rice in the Instant Pot, and then I'm putting green beans in for probably 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, depending on how big and thick they are. And then I literally cook the meatballs for like 6 minutes on the stove. So super easy. I'm just reheating pre-cooked meatballs, I guess, which is easier than making them from scratch. This meal, when I'm making it from scratch, takes me a lot longer. But I'm excited. Anyways, it's my little update. I am already sore, and it's less than like 12 hours since I went on my run, and I'm already sore, and I'm stretching and everything. But tomorrow I'm gonna be in a world of hurt, but that's okay. It was worth it. We're training, we're getting it going. So I'm getting active. That's good. I feel like I'm good at walking, but walking consistently is what I mean. Not like I'm an exceptional actual like doing the activity of walking, but more at consistency, and that's where I lack in my in the exercise realm, is consistency. I used to be a runner. I used to run cross country to prep for soccer season, and then I stopped sophomore year because I hated cross country, mostly because they put me on varsity as a sophomore and I was losing, and I didn't like that, and I just didn't have friends. And so then I went and played tennis instead. But I feel like I just haven't been the most consistent. Oh, Bubba's coming inside. Sorry guys, happy Wednesday. I have been running around like a crazy person today and haven't had the chance to pick you up. I'm watching TV right now. I went and I shot for a brand collab. Make sure you check out my Instagram. I'm really excited about this collaboration as well. Went and got coffee, got flowers. I'll insert the photos that I took because I did take some photos. Then I got a text from my job and needed to post something for Valentine's Day, which I had already tried to do. And then anyways, it doesn't matter. These photos were better. So I kind of got all scrambled and didn't focus on YouTube, but we're here now. So the rest of today, I need to start another YouTube video, and then I also need to plan my F1 outfit series, what I'm going to do this month, and the celebrities and outfits that I'm going to recreate as well. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll see ya. We're at breakfast with my grandma and my mom right now. I didn't film yesterday like I promised, sorry. I got a migraine and was in my bed in the dark, so that would have been real thrilling for you. But today we're gonna do better. I'm gonna take you along with kind of what I do post-migraine. Not that I normally go out in public, but it was a nice excuse to get ready. But I had Tylenol this morning and I drank a full glass of water, and that's the start of it. It's time for some matcha. Back on my training. I'm out for a run. I feel horrible, but we're pushing through anyway. Hi. It is time to go to bed. I'm now realizing how many things I forgot because I was doing a lot of things for my actual job that I'm getting paid for, and that took up time and stress. Then I had a migraine, which took up time because I had to decompress, and then I'm focusing on running, and I don't know, my brain is like zigzagging because there's no real schedule with this job that I have and I'm trying to schedule it in, but then things come up on the days that I'm not planning on working, and then it throws everything else off, and then I feel off kilter. Long story short, I'm a person who likes structure. I'm learning to go with the flow. It is good for me. My hair is crazy. I know this part doesn't fit up there, so we're just rocking it. But tomorrow I'm going to literally sit down right now in my bed, plan out what I need to do tomorrow, write it in my notes, and get back on track over here. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we've got the flowers. Now we're gonna go visit my friend Daisy. Just took some photos and now I'm walking to go get some coffee. I just got out of the shower and done the run, if you can't tell by the absolute redness of my face. Yeah, so I ran 2 miles only today, and then 2 miles, what am I saying? Had a smoothie, took a shower. That's all you've missed. Now I want to just go knock it up from the couch. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'm thankful you're here. Until next time.